Changing your phone number on Chime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by a gear icon or under your profile. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In Account Settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Contact Information. Tap on it to view your current details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find a field that displays your current phone number. Tap on it to edit, then enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm the changes and ensure your new number is updated in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Chime will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime customer support for assistance.